Tape NJ here. We're in the middle of a snowstorm that I would describe as treacherous. And if anyone's wondering about me filming while driving, that's only going to be in short little pieces because it's treacherous. I'll be back. Tape NJ here. So we're in the middle of a New Jersey blizzard. Trying to keep the camera facing, even though I can't really watch it and drive. So top speed in these conditions for me is about 15 miles per hour. I just came down Minnesink Road. That was 5 miles per hour tops. Any more than that and I would have spun out. All right, here's some cars. Okay, they're past. Anytime the cars come by, I have to really focus. The road is thin, and I've got a wide vehicle here. Hope the autofocus works okay. All right, I'm going to get up a little further towards Dover. I'm on Berkshire Valley Road right now. I'm going to get closer to Dover. Maybe we'll get a nice scene going down Blackwell. Or not. Everything depends on how safe we can do this. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, so we're still on Berkshire, but I've got good control. We picked up speed to about 25 miles per hour. We're doing okay, so I thought I would give you some footage. Alright. I'm not gonna go down Mill Road. It's just I gotta be where the trucks are more likely to have come through and plowed the snow. I would say the snow is about 3 inches deep where it's not plowed. And also going this way, maybe we can catch sight of the Morrison Essex Tunnel. That would be pretty fun, right? Alright, see you in a second. Okay, we're going under Route 80 here. And just up ahead is that tunnel. Ooh-wee! See that? Alright, I've got some pretty bright LEDs on the front of this truck. And coming up on the tunnel. I gotta do this real slow. I can barely see anything. There we go. Okay. Oh, that was neat. Alright, I'm gonna head up towards Dover. See if we can go down Blackwell and get some of that holiday cheer. Sorry about the rushing air noise. That's the defroster has to be on maximum, otherwise the windows just fog right up. Alright, see you in a bit. Here we are on Dewey Ave, more of the same. I'm curious what the blizzard is gonna look like on playback. Anytime a car comes up, I have to really concentrate. One person wants to go this direction, the other wants to go another direction, and you really have to coordinate with the other drivers. You got to leave room for sliding. That's just how it is. Alright, see you in a second. We're still on Dewey Ave. I just wanted to get another view of this snow coming out. It's like a space game or something. Alright, there's some cars coming up. Okay, so we're on West Blackwell now. Over here is Randolph Ave. And we're going to be coming up on East Blackwell, or just Blackwell, you might call it. In just a few seconds. Sometimes during a snowstorm like this, if you're running a snowplow, you get a nice treat coming over this rail bridge. Somebody's stuck there, climbing out the window for some reason. Here we go. This looks pretty neat up here. Hopefully we don't get a red light and I gotta skid on through. This guy's got no lights on. Alright, here we go. There's Holiday Blackwell. Just a few days after New Year's. It's brightly lit. road's better here. It's been salted with brine and things. Oh, yellow light. I'm gonna race it. I don't know if anybody watching has ever run a snowplow at like 2 a.m. or not, but when you do, traffic lights and laws pretty much go by the wayside. You know, you're in a snowstorm to begin with, and if you're out at that time, that means it's a bad one. So stopping sometimes means the difference between going ahead and getting stuck. And I've even seen the police out. They don't even bother you at that hour running through the stoplights. Maybe they can't. You know, maybe it'd be dangerous for them to try to pull you over or something. Got some flashing lights up here. We'll see what that's all about. Oh, I hope the road's not closed. I just saw one person possibly. Yeah, look how many there are. I can't really do it justice here, but that's definitely closed. Oh, dang. Let me zoom back. It looked like I was going to crash into that car from the zoom. Alright, let me figure out what I'm doing here. Because I got to get up on Route 10. And everybody's just kind of sitting here, so I got to figure something out. Yeah, so Blackwell is closed. Can't tell what's going on. So here we are. This is Richards Street. Named for George Richards, which is going to be the point of a video upcoming. He was the first mayor of Dover. He's actually one of the people behind the push to get Dover incorporated as a town, separated from Randolph. I got to get out of this Plow's way. I'm still on Richards Ave. I'm going to take this down quite a ways because I don't want to pull out and get stuck again and then be able to turn around. This video is probably out long enough. If you see anything more that's interesting, I'll add it in. Otherwise, have a good one. Keep engine signing out.